Welcome to How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this OnePlus
I don't see anything to
smart
connect.
LED TV
Check.
that how we can easily Today we're gonna talk about that how we can easily connect these type of devices with our Bluetooth speakers, and we have this Alexa Bluetooth speaker. Alexa, search for Bluetooth.
Searching.
You're
already connected to OnePlus TV.
You have
to connect a different device, go to the Alexa app.
You have to switch on your Bluetooth speaker, or you have to press the button, or you have to give command to your Alexa Bluetooth speaker. Now what we have to do, we have to just
I don't have an answer for that.
You have to just 1 second, I'm switching.
I think you want to hear the song. You have to just.
Now you have to go to the Bluetooth settings. What we have to do, we have to go to the settings option, press over there, and now we have to go to the remote and accessories. Click on that, and after that we will see options from there, that is accessories. Click on that and add a device, or add a device, and it will start searching for you, and you have to choose this speaker from over here. As you can check out, this speaker is showing over here. You have to click on that and it will start pairing. That's the scenario, that's the process how you can easily pair these type of LED TVs or OnePlus smart LED TV with your Alexa Bluetooth speaker. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.